Good morning, children. Welcome to the GK class. Today we are going to do new lesson jobs. So let's first understand what is a job. Any work a person does to earn money is called a job. So children, we will know that what job different people do in this lesson. Just like I am a teacher, so being teacher is my job. So we earn money by doing our job. But you are a student. So your job is to study, but you don't earn money, but you are studying to become a businessman, army officer, doctor, anything you want. That is why you are studying to do job when you grow up and earn lot of money. But today we are going to see what kind of job other people do. Just like you must have seen your parents also doing job. Somebody's parents must be doctor, engineer, businessman. Your mama must be IAS officer, or she must be doing teaching job. All these jobs people do to earn money. Okay, so let's see here. You can see this is a weaver. Weaver weaves fabric or cloth on a loom. This machine is called loom. So they work on a loom to create a beautiful fabric that we can use for making our clothes. Now this is carpenter. You can see carpenter is using a saw to cut the wood. So he is doing his job by using a saw. Now here you can see a photographer taking photo. Now photography can be a profession also or a hobby also. So a photographer uses a camera to take photos. Then you can see here he is a sweeper, and sweeper uses mop or brooms. Brooms matlab jhadu, for cleaning the floor. So you can see he has got a mop in his hand to clean the floor. Now you can see here a tailor. A tailor's tools are needle and thread and sewing machine. Now you can see a tailor is sewing clothes on a sewing machine. You also must be going to the tailor for getting your clothes stitched. So tailor stitches the clothes with the tools like sewing machine and needle and thread. Everybody uses some kind of tools. You can see here a cook. A cook is using pan here, but cook uses different types of appliances like oven, gas, or different utensils or bartan for making or cooking food. Now, if a cook is working professionally, he is known as a chef. Like if he is making food in a hotel or restaurant, he is called a chef. Now, this is doctor. You can see doctor has got it stethoscope in his neck. Now, this stethoscope is used for taking temperature and seeing the pulse or heartbeat of a patient. Then this is a gardener. You can see a Pikachu here, a cute Pikachu putting water on plants. So he is using a gardening can or watering can to water the plants. Now here is a barber. A barber is using a razor. See, this is a razor. A knife like tool is there. This is called razor. It is using razor to cut the or clean the hair. Then this is potter. He is using a pottery wheel. You can see this wheel is moving. He is using pottery wheel to make pots. Then this is soldier. He is taking gun to kill enemies, and this is painter who is using a paintbrush to paint a wall. Now see, these are the things I have written their names, which you have to match with the person who uses the tool. Like number one is weaver. Weaver uses a loom. Then photographer uses a camera. Carpenter uses a saw. Sweeper uses a mop. Tailor uses needle and thread. Cook uses frying pan or only pan you can write. Then doctor uses stethoscope. Gardener uses watering can. Barber uses razor. Then potter uses pottery wheel. Soldier uses gun. And painter uses paintbrush. Okay, so this I have written the name so that you know which tool is called what. Okay, but in the book, how you have to do, I will show you now. Now, children, you have to do in the book like this. You will write the name of the tool which the weaver uses, loom, below the weaver. Then photographer, camera, you will write below it. In the same way, you will do it in your books and you will match with a line using a scale. Okay, do it neatly. Now, I will tell you what to learn. Now, this exercise will come in this way in the exam. So you are supposed to learn it like this. Okay. You have to learn weaver, loom, photographer, camera, carpenter, saw, sweeper, mop, tailor, needle and thread, cook, pan, gardener, watering can, barber, razor, doctor, stethoscope, potter, pottery wheel, soldier, gun, painter, paintbrush. Okay, children, do this page and learn all these for the exam like this. Okay. See you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.